Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WordPress video series. In this video, I'll show you how you can create an online class booking system for the educational website or for the tutors. Let me show you an example of the class booking system. Here, I'm on the demo website. I have created this appointment booking system for the classes. Here you will see services, which is nothing but all the classes. You will see the list of all the classes: mathematics, science, biology, physics. You can also create different categories. I have created 4 different categories: GRE, GMAT, SAT, MCAT. If I go to GRE, you will see one class under GRE. If I go to GMAT, you can see 3 different classes under the GMAT category. So you can create multiple classes and you can create multiple categories, and under each category you can create different services. Let's select this class, physics. Now when I select this class, you will see an option to select extra services. So apart from creating classes, you can also sell different extra services. In this example, I have added one extra service, that is exam booking, that will cost $10, and the class booking price is $20. So I'm going to select this one, and here you will see number of persons. So in a particular time slot, you can set a number of students who can join the class. In this example, I have 20 persons. So up to 20 students can book the appointment for that particular time slot. So I have selected 5 persons. So I'm going to book the class for 5 people. Click continue. Now here you will see 2 staff members are available for that particular class. So I can select one of these staff members. So you can add multiple staff members, and for each staff member, you can assign different classes. So I'm going to select this one. After that, you will see an option to select the time slot. So I can select one of these time slots. Let's say I'm going to select this one. So I'm going to book the class for 21st Feb. Now here you can see that I'm not able to select 15 because I have marked this one as holiday. You can also manage holidays in the calendar. Again, I have holidays on Saturday and Sunday. So you can also manage weekly offs. So I have selected 21st. And from here, I can select the time slot. You can also add the working hours. You can add the breaks also. So I'm going to select this one. And after that, I can enter the details. These are the student details. So I have added some dummy content here and click summary. So the next screen will show the summary. This is the name of the customer, the type of class, and the date and time. And this is the pricing. You will see the pricing is 110. Because for each student there will be $20. We have 5 students, so the total amount will be $100 and $10 for the extra services. You can also create discount coupons. Using these coupons, the students will be able to get some discounts. Now in this example, I have not added payment gateways. However, you can add multiple payment gateways. So if you add payment gateway, it will go to the payment option. You can also create deposit payment, where the student will need to pay a small amount for the booking. As of now, I have not added any payment gateway. So click on book appointment and you will see that the booking is done. Now the student will be able to add this booking into their Google Calendar or Yahoo, Outlook or iCal calendar. Now let's go to the dashboard. This is the dashboard of the plugin. The name of the plugin is BookingPress, and on the dashboard you will see all the appointments. You will see the revenue generated. Right now it does not show because we have not made any payment yet. So it is going to show pending payments, and you will see all the details of the appointment, the name of the customer, the selected staff member, number of people. You will see the number of people here. Payment status is still pending. From here, you can manage the status of the appointment. So let me show you the plugin. This is the plugin BookingPress. I have already created multiple videos on the BookingPress, how you can create appointment booking system for salon, yoga classes, dentist, beauty and spa, fitness and gym. If you want to watch those videos, I'll give you the links in the description box. Let me show you the features of the plugin. This is BookingPress Appointments and Scheduling WordPress Booking plugin. You will also get 40 premium add-ons totally free. You can also create automatic email notification, WhatsApp notification or SMS notification. These are the features: multiple bookings at once, coupon codes, service extras, buffer time, Taxify, group appointment. And these are the payment gateways that you can use: PayUmoney, PayPal, Stripe, Authorize.net. And it also has built-in WooCommerce support. Here you will see additional features: discount, deposit payment, staff member, service extras. This is the pricing of this plugin. It will cost you $79 per year. and you can use it on one website. Unlimited appointment, staff management, fully customizable, premium support, 17 payment gateways. You will see the list of payment gateways, and you will also get 40 different add-ons in this plugin. The second plan is professional plan. You can use it on up to 3 websites, and the pricing is $119. And the third plan is enterprise plan. It will cost you $249 per year, and you can use it on up to 20 websites. So if you want to buy this plugin, I'll give you the link in the description box. You can use my link. So let's see how we can create a class booking system for tutors or educational website.
Do not forget to subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel. Watch new videos about website design, e-commerce websites, search engine optimization, social media marketing, WordPress tutorials, video editing tips, and many more. Press the bell icon to get instant notification whenever we publish new videos.
So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website, and now we are going to create class booking system using the BookingPress plugin. So let's go to the dashboard, and I have already installed the plugin. You will see it here, BookingPress appointment booking plugin. So when you install the plugin, you will see BookingPress option in the left hand panel. Click on it. Now it will go through a setup wizard. If you do not want to go through setup wizard, you can simply click on close and exit the setup wizard, and you can add the classes and staff member manually. So I'll go through the setup wizard. Here you can enter your business name. I'm going to name it as Param Classes. You can also add your address there. And this is the time format. You can use 12-hour time format or 24-hour time format. So I'm going to use 12-hour time format. This is the date format. For the date format, I'm going to use day, month, and year. Here you'll see different formats. You can select your format from here. Then we have country. You can select your country from here. You can enter your telephone number. So this will be your business telephone number. This is the time zone. You can select the time zone. I'm going to keep it as it is. And here you can add your website domain. If you have a company logo, you can upload the logo here. Do you have multiple staff? If you have only one staff, then select no. In this example, I'm going to create multiple staff. I'm going to show how you can create appointment booking for the multiple staff. So I have selected yes. Now this is help us improve BookingPress by sending anonymous usage data. So if you want to send usage stats, you can enable this. Otherwise, you can disable it and click on next. On the next screen, you will see booking option. Here you can set up your default working hours. I'm going to keep it as it is. You can also set up booking hours manually on the dashboard. So as of now, I'm going to keep it as it is. You can also define the weekly off. So here I have selected off on Saturday and Sunday. This is the currency. You can select your currency from here. These are the add-ons. If you want to enable the invoice option, tax option, or discount coupon, you can enable these options. These are the add-ons. You need to install the add-ons. So I'm going to close this one, and I have enabled all these options here. We will enter the license key later. Click next. Now this is for the staff. Here I'm going to add one staff. All right, so we will add multiple staffs later. I have added one staff only. Here you will see allow, edit, or delete their appointments. So staff will be able to handle their appointments. They can edit or they can delete their appointments. So I'm going to enable this option, allow customer handling, and they can view payment activities also. Activated all these options, click next. Here you can create different services. For example, you can add your classes here. I'm going to start with, let's say, mathematics. I'm going to add only one subject here, and price will be, let's say, $20 for 1 hour. Here you can select hours or minutes. So I'm going to select $20 for 1 hour. You can add description here. I'm going to add some description here and click next. So we have created one subject there, and we have added one staff member. Now this is the styling option. From here, you can change the font style as well as you can change the color combination. By default, the green color is selected. You can change it from here, or if you want, you can change it later from the dashboard. So let's change it from here. This is the title color, subtitle, and content color. Let's change the content color also. Now this is the preferred booking form sequence. There will be a booking form, and this is the sequence of the form. The visitor will be able to select service or the class first, and then after that they can select the staff member or the tutor. And this is the second option. They will be able to select the staff member or the tutor first, and after that they will select the service. So I'm going to select this one, click finish. When you install this plugin, it is going to create the pages automatically. The appointment booking page is also created. This is the page where the visitor will be able to see their appointments or the class booking. So let's copy this one, book appointment, and let's see how does this look. Alright, so this is how the default layout of the class booking will look. Here I'm using a demo website. That's why the header does not look good. Alright, now this is the appointment booking page. Let's copy the other URL and let's open it. And on this page, it will show all the bookings of the customers. If the visitor books an appointment, it is going to create an account for that visitor, and visitor will be able to log into the website, and from this page, they will be able to see their appointments. So you can create a tab here about my bookings. When they click on that button, it will go to their bookings page. All right, now let's go to dashboard. Let me show you the pages here. So these pages are created automatically: appointment canceled information, book an appointment. Let's go to appearance and go to menus. We will add those tabs here. So we're going to add book an appointment and my booking. Save the menu. Let's refresh this page, and now you will see the three tabs here: home, book an appointment, and my bookings. Now here you will see a shortcode that you can use to show the form on any page of your website. Now let's go back to the dashboard and let's go to the BookingPress here. Now this is the dashboard of the BookingPress. Here you will see the stats of your appointments, how many appointments are booked, approved appointments, pending appointments, and what is the revenue. All right, so before using it, you need to activate the license. So you can go to activate license and you can enter your license key here and activate the license. At the top you will see the option calendar. Go to calendar, and on the calendar also you will see all the appointments. Now for the multiple staff members, we will need to get an add-on. So in the left hand panel you will see add-ons. Click on add-ons, and here you will see list of all the add-ons. Enable stop option throughout your website. Click on activate this option. Now if you want to add service extra, you can activate this option. So this will let you add some extra services along with the main service. Coupon management, you can enable this coupon management. Multiple quantities, so that one booking can have multiple members. Deposit payment, if you want to accept payment online, you can also ask them to deposit some amount of payment for the class booking. Below that you will see more add-ons: tags, invoice, cart add-on, location add-on, happy hours, custom service duration, multi-language. So all these options allow you to create packages of multiple services. WooCommerce, waiting list. Now if you want to integrate different payment gateways on your website, you can get these add-ons. So you need to install these add-ons. For example, if you want to use a Stripe payment gateway, you can get the add-on and install it, and you will be able to accept the payment using Stripe. So you will see all these payment gateways are available. And when you buy the BookingPress plugin, you will get all these add-ons also. You can also integrate the BookingPress with email marketing tools like MailChimp, Aweber. The Zapier integration is also available, and the Zoom integration is also available. You can also send SMS notifications, WhatsApp notifications. So all these add-ons are available. You just need to install those add-ons. Now let's go to services. We are going to create some services, or you can say some classes. First of all, we are going to create some categories for the classes. So click on manage categories. Right now there is no category. You want to create a category for GRE courses. Then we have created one category, GRE. You can also create a category for GMAT, SAT, MCAT. So I have created 4 different categories. You can create categories according to your requirement. Let's close it. So we have got 4 different categories. We have added one class here. So let's edit this one. Click on edit. So this mathematics will go under, let's say, SAT. So this class, this particular mathematics class for SAT category, duration will be 1 hour. If you want to add buffer time before and after the class, you can add the buffer time also. Maximum capacity. Now here you can define the number of people who can participate in that particular time slot. Let's say you have a capacity of 20 people or 20 students for a particular time slot, then here you can enter that number. So the limit for this class will be 20 students. Below that, you have extra services. Apart from this mathematics class, you can also add extra services. Let's say you are also dealing with exam booking, so you can add that option here. So they will be able to select the exam booking through your services. Time duration, no time duration required. Service price will be, let's say, $10. So you are going to charge $10 for the exam booking application. Here you can add service description. So this is the extra service and this is the staff member. Here you can manage the staff member. As of now, we have only one staff member, so I'm going to keep it as it is. Charges will be $20. Here you will see $20. We have already set the charges. And below that, we have advanced option, minimum time required before booking. So here you can set the minimum time required, let's say 1 day. So they will need to book this appointment at least 1 day before this class schedule. Minimum time required before rescheduling will be, let's say, 1 day. And minimum time required before cancelling will be, again, let's say 12 hours. So before 12 hours, they can cancel the class. So this is about one class. Click save. So we have got one class here. Now let's add another class. And let's say this is science class. And category will be, again, SAT. Price will be $20. Time duration will be 1 hour. You can add buffer time. Maximum capacity will be, like, let's say, again, 20 students. Let's add some description. Extra service, you can again add extra service. I'll show you how does this look on the actual form. Now here you will see staff member. We are going to assign John for this one because we have only one staff right now. So I'm going to add that one. Again, you can change the number of minimum time required before booking, before cancelling, and before rescheduling. Save it. All right, now we are going to create one more class. Let's say physics. Category will be, let's say, GMAT. Again, pricing will be $20. Duration will be 1 hour. 20 student capacity. I'm going to add some dummy description here. Extra service. Again, extra service will be exam booking. Add the staff member. Save it. All right, so this service is under another category. Now I'm going to add some more classes. So I have added some classes here. Now let's go to staff members and we are going to add some staff members. So right now we have added only one staff member, that is John Doe. Let's go to edit. Here you can upload the image for the staff member. From here you can change the settings of the staff member. You can change the name, phone number, email address. And right now this staff member is assigned to all these classes. From here you can manage the classes which are conducted by this staff member. So I'm going to delete some classes from here. All right, so this staff member will conduct these classes only. All right, let's click save. And let's add another staff member. Now here we need to create a WordPress user for this one. So click on create a new user and let's add a password for this user. So the user will be able to log into the dashboard and manage the classes. So this will be the name of the new tutor or the user. Let's add phone number also. Now from here you can add the services or the classes for this particular user. So let's select this one, chemistry, under 𝗟𝗓𝗞. Save it. Let's add analytical reasoning under MCAT. Add it. Logical reasoning. Save it. All right, so I have added 4 classes for this particular staff member. Let's click on save. All right, so the new user is created. I need to add the image also. Let's go to edit, add the image and save it. And let's create one more staff member. Let's add image and we are going to create a new user Name will be, let's say, Robert. Email. So add the phone number. And let's select the classes for this member also. All right, let's click on save. So we have got 3 different staff members. So you can add multiple staff members. If you want to create coupon, you can go to coupons option here. And from here, you can create discount coupons for the students. So they will be able to use the coupons and get discount on classes. All right, now let's go to the settings here. And these are the basic settings of the booking system. The default service duration is 30 minutes. We can change it to 1 hour. And default time slot will also be 1 hour. Show time as per service duration. Default phone country code. So this is going to show the country code. Default items per page. It will show 20 items per page. And this is the default time format, date format. We have already selected those options on the setup wizard. Right here you will see default appointment status will be approved, pending, disabled. Appointment status paid via on-site payment. So if someone is going to pay on the site, on the actual location, then the status of the appointment will show pending because you have not received the payment. So it will show the status pending. If someone is making purchase online and after the payment, it will show the status approved. From here, you can change the default status. Minimum time required before booking, we have already set that in each service. Let's click save. Below that we have company. Here you can add your company details. We have already done that in the setup wizard. Notifications. So these are the email delivery method will be your default PHP mail function. Here you can add your business name. And this is the default sender email address and the admin email address. Customers. Now this is the booking form, what information you want from the student while booking the appointment. So by default, it will ask for the first name, last name, email, and the phone number. If you want to add extra fields, you can add the extra fields from here. And these are the default working hours. You can change the working hours. You can also add a break. Let's say this is 9 to 5 p.m. and you want to add a break of, let's say, 1 hour at 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. So there will be a break of 1 hour. So you can add the breaks from here. Click save. Now let's go to holidays. From here you can add the holiday. Let's say if you have holiday on 15th of Feb, you can mark that as holiday. So I'm going to add the holiday name as holiday. On this day, no one will be able to book the appointment. Payments, these are the payment systems. Right now we have only on-site payment. And if you want to enable PayPal, you can enable it from here. Select live, and here you can add your merchant email for the PayPal, API username, password, and API signature from the PayPal account. So you need to link your PayPal account here. Once you link the PayPal, you will be able to accept the payment using PayPal payment gateway. Right, so I'm going to disable it for now. Messages, these are the default messages. No service selected for the booking, so this message will be shown. If you want to change the messages, you can change it from here. Special days, so you can also add some special days. License, staff members. All right, so these are the staff member settings. They will be able to view the payment. They can edit the payment. Right now it is disabled. Staff member will not be able to edit the payment. Delete payment. So these are the controls for the staff members. View customer, they will be able to see the customer and manage customer. However, they will not be able to delete the customers. All right, now let's go to customize option here. Customize forms. Now this is the default layout of the booking form. If I go to book appointment, refresh it. Now you will see all the new services added on the booking form. Right now it is set to GRE. Under GRE, we have one class. If I select all, you will see all the classes here. If I select GMAT, we have 3 different services here or the classes. SAT has 2 classes, MCAT has 2 classes. Let's go back. So this is the general layout of the appointment booking form. You can change the layout from here. Hide service duration. So I'm not going to make any changes here. Right now the booking wizard tabs position is in the left hand side. So these are the booking tabs which are in the left hand panel. If you want to change it to top, you can change it to top. So it will be placed at the top. Now these are the color settings. You can change the color settings. I'm going to change the color settings here. All right, so this is how it will look. We have changed the color. Let's save the changes. Let's go back to the dashboard, refresh it, and you will see the changes here. Right now it does not show the color changes. Maybe because of the cache on this demo website, it will show the color changes also. All right, so these are the basic settings for this booking form. You can create your services or classes, and you can also create categories for those classes. Now let's go to the booking form again and try to book the appointment. Let's go to GMAT. I'm going to select one of the class here, physics. And when you select that class, you will see the service extra is also there. So I'm going to select the service extra also. And here you will see number of person for that particular class you want to book. Let's say I want to book a class for 5 people. You will be able to select 5 people from the drop down. And the maximum number of students who can book the appointment for this particular time slot will be 20. So it's not going to go beyond 20 persons. So let's select 5 persons and click continue. On the next, we need to select staff member. For this particular class, there are 2 staff members. So I'm going to select this one. And it will show the time slot. So here you will see the time slot for the morning is 11 to 12. And there are 20 slots left. All right. So as soon as we book a slot for 5 people, next time it will show 15 slots left. So I'm going to select this one. When you select date and time, the next step will be basic details of the student. So I'm going to add some details here. All right, and click next, summary. So it will give you the summary of the appointment booking, the name of the customer, the type of service, and the date and time. If I have a coupon code, I can add the coupon code here. You will see the amount to be paid is 110 because we are booking the class for 5 students, and for each student the price is $20. So for 5 students the charges will be $100 and the $10 is for the extra service. Click on book appointment. All right, so it says appointment cannot be booked because the minimum required time is passed. So let's change the time here. Let's go through the process again and change the time slot. All right, so I'm going to select 16. Now here you can see that I'm not able to select Feb 15 because we have marked that day as the holiday. All right, so I'm going to select the time slot here, enter the details, summary, and book the appointment. And the appointment will be booked. Now the student will be able to add this appointment into their Google Calendar or Yahoo Calendar, Outlook, or iCal Calendar. All right, now let's go back to dashboard. And on the dashboard, you will see one total appointment and the appointment status is pending because the payment is not done and it will be collected on site. And here you will see customer, one customer. Here you will see the details of the appointment. If I click on it, I can see all the details, the date, time, booking class, and the name of the staff member and number of students or person for this particular class, the name of the customer, email and phone number. Payment method will be on site because we have added only one payment method for right now. From here, you can change the status of the appointment: approved, cancelled, rejected, no show, or completed. So on the dashboard, you will get all the information. If I go to calendar here, you will see the details on the calendar also. Let's go to customers. And here you will see the details of the customer. So it is very easy to create different classes under different categories, and you can also create multiple staff members. Everything will be well organized. So if you want to buy this plugin, I'll give you the link in the description box. You can use my link. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.